everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. I made a video a couple days ago with this tutorial for this beautiful boho necklace using the dollar bead box for March of 2023. And then I decided I wanted to make a pair of earrings to go with it. So I figured I'll just film it. So yeah, because usually when people have jewelry, they like to either have earrings or a necklace, you know, to go with the bracelet or yada yada. So all I'm doing is I'm just taking, you know, some of the leftover beads, and I'm just, this head pin is, let me measure it. It is 2.5 inches long. So it's kind of a long one here. So I'm just following this, and I'm using the same, not the same pattern from here, but the same beads. So I did this beautiful, that green one, and the cream one. Then I'm gonna go with one of these. Oh, I need to get a few more copper. Where are the copper beads? Here they are. Okay, so I have this, then I'm doing a copper, and one of the greens and another copper. So it goes like that. We're going to do a druck one, green druck, another cream one, another beautiful green one like that. Then we do the cream, the green, and one of these. Oh. So we have that. So now I don't have much wire to work with here. I bend that back. I like to use my round nose pliers for this. I'm just taking the very tip of it and turning it around. So I have this like that. And then open up the ear wire, put it on. And then I have these adorable earrings to go with this really pretty necklace. So I'm not sure what you guys thought of the dollar bead box. I have been loving it. I'm sure I'll have another tutorial or so to come out of it. Maybe I'll do something with these 2-hole beads. I've been using the 2-hole beads a lot. I've been mixing these 2-hole beads with the Adornable Elements box because they have a lot of 2-hole beads there. So maybe I'll do something with the daggers. I'm not really sure yet. I used up all of these, but I still have that other strand. Let me see here. I try to keep these away. I still have quite a few beads left. Yes, I still have this other beautiful strand to work with, and all of these other absolutely gorgeous beads. So yes, and the button and everything. So yeah, so I just thought I'd show you this little set right there and stop in and say hi. Hope everybody's having a great day. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And you can follow my Etsy and all of my social media below. And I will leave the link to Dollar Bead Box too. And I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.